Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing your profile picture on Threads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Threads app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. From your profile page, tap Edit Profile. Now tap your current profile image. From the menu that appears, select Remove Current Picture. Your profile image will now be removed from your Threads profile. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Threads tips and tricks.